What's up, JK Career Lab family? Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting AI tools that's completely changing how we work, research, and create. I'm talking about Perplexity AI. Now, you might have heard of Perplexity as that Google killer or the AI that shows citations. But let me tell you something that's just scratching the surface. In 2026, Perplexity has evolved into something much bigger. We're talking about an AI that doesn't just answer questions, it executes tasks for you. So, whether you're a student, a professional, a content creator, or someone who just wants to work smarter, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Perplexity is becoming the go-to AI for getting real work done. Let's get into it. So first, let's level set. What exactly is Perplexity AI? Unlike ChatGPT, which is designed as a conversational AI, Perplexity positions itself as an AI-powered answer engine. Think of it as the perfect hybrid between Google and ChatGPT. You get conversational answers, but every single claim comes with a source citation. Here's what makes it different. 1. Citations are built in. When you ask Perplexity a question, it doesn't just give you an answer. It shows you where that answer came from: links, articles, research papers, everything. This is massive for anyone who needs verifiable information. 2. Real-time web access. Unlike traditional models that rely on training data from months ago, Perplexity automatically searches the live web for every query. You're always getting the most current information. 3. Multi-model flexibility. Here's something ChatGPT can't do. Perplexity Pro lets you switch between different AI models. Want GPT-4's response? Done. Prefer Claude's reasoning? Got it. Need Gemini's analysis? It's there. You're not locked into a single-brained, on-screen graphic comparison table showing Perplexity versus traditional search versus ChatGPT. Now this is where things get really exciting. In 2026, Perplexity launched what they call Perplexity Computer, and it's absolutely revolutionary. Perplexity Computer, your AI agent. Perplexity Computer isn't just another chatbot. It's an autonomous AI agent that can complete complex, multi-step tasks for you. Here's what the CEO Aravind Srinivas said, and I quote, "Computer unifies every current capability of AI into a single system. Files, tools, memory, and models orchestrated together, working for you." What does this mean practically? Let me break down the key features. Custom skills. This is incredible. You can teach Perplexity Computer how to handle a task once, and it remembers forever. Need a weekly performance report in a specific format? Create a skill. Have a unique writing style for LinkedIn posts? Create a skill. It automatically applies them every single time. Model Council running 3 frontier models simultaneously: GPT 5.4, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro all at once. It synthesizes where they agree, where they disagree, and gives you the best answer. Perfect for high-stakes decisions like investment analysis or stress-testing business plans. Voice mode natural conversation, hands-free. You can brainstorm and build simultaneously, run financial analysis just by speaking, or iterate on projects in real time without typing a word. Now let's talk about 2 more powerful features: labs and coding. Perplexity Labs, the creation engine. Think of labs as hiring an entire team of analysts and developers for a few minutes. It can generate multi-page research reports with charts and figures, create interactive dashboards from your CSV files, build mini web applications from scratch, analyze complex datasets, and highlight key insights automatically. One user actually used labs to find the best areas to buy a house around New York. It researched regions, analyzed crime stats and school data, and compiled a table of top properties with details. That's hours of work done in minutes. Coding with Perplexity. Now, if you're a developer or learning to code, pay attention. Perplexity now has access to GPT 5.3 Codex as a dedicated coding subagent. This means it can write thousands of lines of production-quality code, build full-stack applications with React frontend and Python backend, debug using browser developer tools, push directly to GitHub. Here's how I think about it. Use ChatGPT when you need to create and iterate on complex code. Use Perplexity when you need research-driven coding, up-to-date documentation, API references, and verifiable examples. On screen, split screen showing code generation examples. Okay, let's make this practical. Here's how you can use Perplexity AI right now. For students and researchers, a recent study found that 75% of students use Perplexity to explore research topics, and 65.6% use it to identify research gaps. It's literally transforming how academic work gets done. Students report benefits like improved idea generation, faster writing processes, and efficient access to relevant sources. For professionals, generate weekly performance summaries with KPIs formatted for Slack. Create competitive briefs for any company funding history, product overview, recent news. Analyze earnings transcripts and build comparison charts. For content creators, like us, research trending topics with citations. Draft scripts with source-backed facts. Create content calendars based on data. One important note, and this is crucial, a study showed that only 56.3% of users fully trust AI-generated results. Always verify critical information. Perplexity gives you the sources, use them. Quick breakdown on pricing. Free tier. Unlimited basic searches. Limited pro searches. Basic file uploads. Perplexity Pro $20 per month. Access to GPT 5.4, Claude Sonnet 4.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro. 50 labs queries per month. Model switching and voice mode. Perplexity Max. Perplexity Computer Access. 10,000 credits per month. Model counsel and custom skills. Coding subagent access. For most of you watching, Pro is the sweet spot. If you're doing serious research or development work, Max is worth the investment. So here's my takeaway. Perplexity AI has evolved from a simple answer engine into a genuine AI agent that can do real work for you. Whether you're researching, coding, writing, or analyzing data, this tool can save you hours every week. I want to hear from you. Have you tried Perplexity? What's your experience? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to JK Career Lab for more practical AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.